What up, y'all? Creek Fishing Caleb here. It's been a little bit, probably like, I think 2 months since the last one. I had this video done for a while. I just never put it together. It first started out that I didn't have enough room, and then I just said, you know what, forget about it, I'll do it later. And then I got lazy. Thought I'd finally post it. Took me so long to do it, might as well, you know, get it out there. I have a feeling y'all will look at me a little crooked, but it's whatever. Going to a pond with a couple friends. It's gonna be over a couple of days. There's some pretty good fish, I gotta say. You know what, I'm tired of doing intros. We're gonna hop into this already, and hit that thumbs up, you know, sub, you know the works, whatever. I'll see y'all. Man, where are them big boys at? They hiding today. We just need something right now. Got him. Yeah, there he is. Oh, dude, look at him. Dude, he's a hog. Get that. No! No!
I was gonna get down there and grab him.
Dude, I had a weak link in my knot. Dude, that was a hog, too. Did you see him, though?
Huh?
Did you see him? Dude, he was fighting hard. You weren't wrong.
No, he's just like, hey, I got one.
Look at that.
Aww.
He's so cute. Hey, hey, smile. Smile for the camera. Hey, buddy. Smile. Smile. Smile.
Smile. Ow, you're a little feisty thing, dude.
Yeah, it's a fish. Watch out, watch out. You see him running with it?
No.
Good one.
See a good one?
Yeah. Oh, crap, 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 crap. This is a good one. I think. Oh!
Again?
This is a 12-pound test.
What was your not frayed or anything?
Yes. No, no, it wasn't frayed. Yeah, you might want to grab this guy. He's got shoulders on him. Jesse, we got one. Oh, he's not bad.
He just spit out a bait fish. We gotta get that.
Crap, crap, crap.
Like. Wait. High five. High five. High five. Give me a high five. High five. Give me a high five. Yeah.
Yeah, where are they at? All right, my cheese puffs. Cheese puffs? He's okay. Okay, cheese puff. In the mouth. Oh, he spit it out. Bite it. Dang you. There we go. I'm gonna cast over here. So if I get something. Oh, there he is. Yeah, there he is. You see him now? No. Oh, got him. Yeah, I saw him. He smoked it. There's a partner over there. Go get him. There's a second guy. Whack.
That's a largie.
We only know how to catch small fish, and the big fish get away. Head ass. Number 2. Oh, my stomach. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, sir. 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 Oh, another good one. Get ready. Get ready for this one. He's not doing so. He's not.
Keep his head up. Keep his head up.
Yep. Keep his head up. Oh, yeah. Right here. Right side. Right side.
Hey, dude, he's not even 3 pounds.
We can weigh him. Oh, dude, he's not really hooked so well. Yeah, I can grab him.
Dude, look at his nose.
Yeah, he's got a really.
He's ugly.
Yeah, he's got a big head, but okay, look at that boy.
That's a nice lateral line.
All right, we're gonna get a nice release. There he goes. I guess I have. Got him. Oh yeah, I got him. I got him. No, that's not him. That's a different boy. That's a different boy. I can get him. I can flip him up. Yoo-hoo. Dude. Alright. Yeah, something like over there. Yeet.
Oh, that was loud. You have something?
Yeah.
I think I might double up with you. Oh, he's a nice one. He's about, yeah, he's about a pound and a half. You want me to grab him?
I got him. Don't worry about it. Dude, that hook just came out.
Ah, beautiful.
What's this guy's name? Catch me another one, Caleb.
Wow, that was cute. Oh, let me. Don't want to get too far.
Wait. That one.
Yeah, I see. Oh, he's a good
That's
one.
a big one.
Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Here, keep his head up. All right, let him play with it. Let him play with it. Oh, he's hooked pretty good.
Oh,
Man, that's nice.
That's a chunker.
Oh, dude, that's 5.
That's a Creek Kid fishing Caleb fish.
Oh my gosh, that's a 5 right there. You want to weigh him? Woo!
Maybe.
Yeah, let's weigh him. I got a scale right here. Actually, I'll just snag yours. He in there? He is. Oh, shoot. 5'4", 5'5". Final weight. Hang on. Oh, 5'1". Never mind.
Here.
You got something? Good one?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't feel it yet.
Yeah. He's good. He's okay. Yeah, he's pretty good.
Yeah.
He's still fighting pretty hard.
Just...
He's a black bass. Stop spinning.
But I mean, like...
You want to get the hook out of him.
This guy is... Fisher. See a Fisher.
Okay, spell right there. Oh, he hit it. He's got it. Yeah, he's got it. Yeah, I think he has it. Yeah, he's running towards me. Got him. No, well.
We can go home now. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's not
like
bad.
1, maybe 2.
Yeah. All right. Calm down.
Yes, sir. That's like a maybe good.
That could be.
2.
Yeah. Oh, dude, look how far he inhaled that. Oh my gosh.
He wasn't getting out of that.
Look at that, ladies and gents. He inhaled
I
it.
was trying to grab his nose.
Well, there's a second one over there with him. He was hiding under the tree. Well, oh, he was sort of close to him. But. All right, good fish. All right, catch me another one. Headbutt. Oh, he's gonna jump out of the water. Oh, dang it, he didn't do it. He didn't do the sauce. Cause that one, he just sort of got him. Oh, good. Get down. Oh no, he's just running towards me. Never mind. This is a shrimp. Never mind. He just hit it really hard. All right, so I know what they want now. Yeah. Whoopsie. Sorry. Yeah.
He's a little baby.
Yeah. He hit it like a truck though. I was like, oh my gosh. All right. Fish number 2. He's just long-bodied, really ugly. You ain't getting cheese puffed today. Catch me another one. I can do a backflip for you. Swim off. And there he goes.
Never named him.
Yeah. It's all the way down there. It's like the underwater cave. It's pretty good. Got him. Oh, he's good. Yeah. He might be that one that I saw. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Oh, dude. Yes, get the net. Look at him. Oh, my gosh. Look at him. Get the net. Oh, dude, get that hog in there. Dude.
Please, here. I'll get the hook.
Oh, my God.
God, Caleb.
Jeez. Dude, oh, my gosh.
Here.
Dude, yeah, get some video of this. I'm making sure he ain't getting lost. Because he's still...
I'm filming.
Dude, oh my gosh. No, it's just 4.9. 4.9. That's pretty good.
Still, Caleb. That's a nice fish.
Oh my gosh. Look at that beast.
Dude,
look at his tail. Something ate it.
he probably ate it.
Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go. There she goes.
Biggest one we caught out here?
Yeah.
We need to stop.
You got something?
We need to quit.
Or are you hung?
I'm hung. Look, I'm almost out of line.
Oh, no, no, no. He has one. He has one.
You're gonna. You crossed my line too.
Really?
Yeah. See, it counts. It's both of us. We both got the fish.
What the heck? Get him in, yeah. Did you pull all that line out?
Hard.
Well, you got that other open cast right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fish. Yeah, he's just shrimp. He was just pulling. Yeah, look at him. Oh, Jane. Jeez, they fight hard. Yeah, if you can. Yeah. Oh, dang, he's, holy crap, he is. After that little spin. That's fish number 2.
What'd you get him on, boy? Brush hog.
Brush hog, yeah, I was just reeling in. They're wanting something moving. So, yeah, they might go for that. All right. Yeet.
Oh, I got one.
You got one?
Yeah, I got a good one.
Oh, yeah. Bring him up. I can get him. Mason, hurry, just keep reeling. All right.
Right on that Senko, too.
Yes.
That Senko worked.
Good, dude, that's nice. Yeah, Senko does some wonders. All right. Yeah.